Chapter 1: Human Anatomy and Physiology. Introduction to Human Body. Anatomy. The scientific study of any organ is known as anatomy. Physiology. It is the study of functioning of those organs. Anatomy is further subdivided into 4 types. 1. Gross anatomy, topographical, regional, anthropotomy. Gross anatomy. It involves the study of those anatomical structures which can be seen by naked eyes. जो नग्न आँखों से दिखाई दे सके. 2. Microscopic anatomy. It involves the study of microscopic organelles which can be seen with the help of microscope, e.g., cell, tissue. सूक्ष्म आँखों से परे वाले कोशिका ऊतक. 3. Superficial anatomy. It involves the study of those anatomical structures which are present on surface of body. ऊपरी सतह देखने के लिए नाक, कान, त्वचा. 4. Comparative anatomy. It involves the comparison of both gross and microscopic anatomy of different animals. विभिन्न प्राणियों में नग्न आँखों से दिखाई दे और सूक्ष्म. Planes of body. 1. Sagittal plane. From top to bottom, an imaginary line slicing the body into 2 equal halves. 2. Horizontal. A midline passes parallel to the ground at a 90-degree angle. 3. Coronal. It divides the body into anterior, front, and posterior, back portion. Anterior, front, ventral. Posterior, back, dorsal. Lithotomy position. In this position, the individual is lying on floor with fully stretched thigh and knees are directing towards roof side. Supine, chit avastha. Prone, ulti avastha. Proximal, nikat parshva. Distal, durast parshva. Lateral, prishtapag, sharir ke parshva. Body cavities. Cavities are the spaces of the body that contain internal organs. The 2 main cavities of body are dorsal cavity and ventral cavity. Ventral cavity is the largest cavity of body, which is further subdivided into thoracic and abdominopelvic cavity. Both of these cavities are separated by a dome-shaped respiratory structure known as diaphragm. Thoracic cavity. This cavity is present ventrally upper side of the body. This cavity is also called as chest cavity. The chest cavity is laterally attached with the ribs and caudally with the diaphragm. This cavity contains trachea, lungs, heart, esophagus, etc. Food pipe, bhojan nali, windpipe, shwasanali, abdominopelvic cavity equals abdominal plus pelvic. 1. Abdominal cavity. The abdominal cavity is laterally attached with the body wall, downward attached with pelvic cavity, and upward attached with diaphragm. This cavity contains maximum part of gastrointestinal tract. Pelvic cavity. Pelvic cavity is dorsally attached with the sacrum. It is also attached with abdomen upwards. This cavity contains maximum parts of urogenital system as well as rectum. Dorsal cavity. The dorsal cavity is the smallest cavity in comparison to ventral cavity. In this cavity, the organs are situated posteriorly within the body. Dorsal cavity is further subdivided into 2 cavities, cranial cavity as well as spinal cavity. Cranial cavity contains the brain, while spinal cavity contains the spinal cord. Scope of anatomy and physiology. They provide the fundamental knowledge about the human body and help us to know various organs of the body and how they work. It will help us to know diseases and pathophysiology. It will help us to differentiate between normal and abnormal functioning of the body. It will help us to conduct various researches in the respective fields. Human anatomy and physiology is helpful in